Good morning and good evening. Okay, kompleto, no? So I know it's been a while since we saw each other in campus and during classes. I think we haven't met pa because Friday is always reserved for many things and holiday. And I think this Friday as well, it will be ulak ng Pangulo. So which means that all faculty members are required to be there and I won't be around again. So that's very sad, no? Kasi hindi na naman tayo magmi-meet and but we cannot stop learning and we need to proceed pa din. So I'll be giving you two parts of this video. So one part is the orientation and the second part is the discussion of our studies. Now, for the orientation, I've already sent you the PowerPoint presentation that will be used throughout the semester. And I hope that you have read that and you already have your project with you. You're starting to do your project na your preparation for your demonstration teaching for my subject. So now, let's dig in pala, sorry. Let's dig in, have this PowerPoint presentation. So I hope that you can see me clearly. So that our subject is contemporary, popular, and emergent literature. So it's easy to be said and done, no? But I can see myself. Okay. So for the course description, this course provides pre-service English teachers with opportunities to acquire extensive reading backgrounds in literature and allied fields needed for the understanding and evaluation of critical issues, contemporary and popular literature genres. This course allows them to demonstrate their research-based content knowledge and its relevance in the teaching and learning process using various methods for literary analysis. Now, as normal, our attendance and recitation shall be 10%, midterm and final 30%, projects, activities 30%, and other requirements 30%. Overall, this is 100%. So the grade range is this. So please, I think this you already know this one, so matagal na natin tong ini-implement. Now, supposedly we'll be having the attendance sheet, but I'll be providing this instead na lang. Don't worry. But since I am the one who's consecutive absent, so pasensya na, no? It's required. Talagang I need my presence is needed there. Eh. So I'm really sorry. Now, for a project, which is 15%, you are required to read a book from either contemporary, popular, or emergent literature. It's any genre as long as the book is in English. Then on the 13th week of this semester, you will share it with the class. You will present it through a 20-minute demonstration teaching. So you could just consult ChatGPT if it is a contemporary, a popular, or an emergent literature. So I'll be providing the rubrics for demonstration teaching that is used by the pre-service teachers. You'll be graded again based on a rubric of student teachers. You need to think of a motivation, lecture proper, and an assessment for that matter. You need to be ready with a detailed lesson plan, instructional materials, and the book you read. So I would also be asking you to donate the books in our library. Kasi although that's why I'll be asking you as a request. And kaya wag na kayong bumili ng mamahaling libro or if you have a book that is very dear to you, so wag niyo siyang aanuhin, wag niyo na siyang wag kayo magkaroon ng attachment. But I'll be asking you to we'll have things that we could do. Kaya yung mga quotes na nakita nyo, some parts that you think is good, please don't forget to put an ear tag. Mag-ear tag tayo, no? May mga colorful ear tags naman tayo that we could use or buy. 2 to 3 panels will be invited to watch your demonstration teaching. So I'll try to invite one to two. Okay, so ay 2 to 3 panels. Okay, so I'll try to invite. Pag wala akong magagawa. Now, activities, the same. Midterm finals pa din tayo. So the same tayo. Bale, 15% and other requirements, which is your quizzes, will be 15% as well. Now, Notebooks are required, but I didn't ask you to design it compared to before. But still, plastic cover and also cursive writing is a requirement in this subject. Notebook natin ay ganito na. So your notebook must have a plastic cover, front cover with the subject code, subject, your name, your section, teacher's name, and the color of your notebook must be red. So red ang assign ko sa inyo. Class number must be put in the upper right corner of your notebook. So also don't forget, we now have our, I think on October 27, we'll be having our ISO certification again. And you need to memorize the mission, and the ALAB, BULSU, the core values of BULSU, and also the big A's natin. Don't forget to at least be familiar with our vision, mission, ALAB, and also the big A's. And okay, already na tayo dito. We're already done. So for the weeks, week 2, interpreting and evaluation. So week 3, and I think medyo maliligaw tayo ng konti kasi nga, ang dami na nating nabago. So don't worry because we'll be discussing it agad-agad. So may balak po talaga ako eh. So don't worry about that. So now, first assignment, of course, should be please prepare your notebooks. Answer the following questions. What are the types and elements of fiction? So make sure that by the time that I collected your notebooks, maybe this Friday, you must have this assignment. Don't forget your assignments contemporary. Page 13. Okay, so now let's begin. So later I'll be stopping this one. So I'll have another requirements. Meron na rin tayo, no? Stop. And I'll stop the recording. Let's have another video para hindi kayo mahirapan.